Welcome back. I was just on the phone with one of my clients from California, and we were looking at our new Open Items widget and how to get those open items from an info capture project to display on this widget. So we'll start in the back end of our project, or the admin side. I've selected the project I want to work from, and now I'm going to go to Manage Statuses. I've already got my statuses set up. I'm going to add a new group. My group name is going to be Open Items. I'm only worried about my tickets, my open items. The type is going to be In Progress. And I'm going to select the statuses New and In Progress. So now each ticket that I have that's in a status of New or In Progress should display in my open items. Make sure to save. Now if I pop back over to my page and do a refresh, all of my open items from that info capture project will display.